Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your TikTok account. To do that, open your TikTok app, navigate to the three dots at the top right corner, click on settings and privacy. Now click on accounts. At the last section you're going to see deactivate or delete. Click on it. It will give you two options: deactivate account or delete account permanently. Click on deactivate account. If you deactivate your account, no one will see your account or content. Information that isn't stored in your account, such as direct messages, may still be visible to others. TikTok will continue to keep your data, so you can recover it when you reactivate your account. You can reactivate your account and recover all content anytime by using the same login details. So click on deactivate at the bottom. They are going to send you an OTP. When you put the one-time password, your account will be deactivated. That's how you deactivate your TikTok account. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.